Hey guys, this is Ghost AES. I thought I'd do a video of me installing the Peak Designs phone mount. So this is it. Comes with the small adapter, and then you also get a bigger one just in case obviously your bike doesn't obviously fit one. So this is the big one. You basically just take this one off. If this doesn't fit in your stem mount, you basically swap this one out, put this one in, and then you obviously once you screw this in tighter, it tightens up in the mount. So yeah, I'm gonna first attempt to install this. So the first thing I need to do is actually take this off.
So here, I tried to use a screwdriver, but that clearly failed. So I went to use a plier, and that's what you see here.
There we go. Looks like I got some sort of silicone in there. Right, I think we might get away with just this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna move this out of the way so when you're tightening it, you've got access to the screw. It does come with an Allen key, fortunately, but obviously if you don't have that, you can just use your handy toolbox. So let's give it a go, and then let's keep tightening it. Let me just show you what happens. So as you tighten it, it pulls the mount, the adapter up, so it sits in place. So let's keep doing it. Right, I'm gonna use a actual screwdriver because can't really tighten it too much with this. So let's give that a go. So it looks like a 4. Oh, that was a close call. Right. Now you can position it where you want. I need to choose the spot where I want it. But obviously once you decide where you're going to place it, you just sort of tighten these over here. So you can see, I don't know if you can see. But there's like 2 screws just there. One there and one there. And that's it guys. That's just a quick install.